The whole look of the F30. I love it. The last step, we just need to wipe it off. Hey yo, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the video. Today I'm here with more modification to F30. So you can see F30 right there, and also I'm here with Don. So his Mercedes right here as well. So guys, so today we planning to change the mirror colors for the F30. I'm super excited for that. We got light, signal lights, and also mirror color. And I'm gonna show you guys before and after as well. So let's go. Alright guys, first of all, you guys need to turn on the ignition. I already turned on that thing. And also, you can raise your mirror thing up. So you have to read with this.
Yeah, you can see.
For the job, you just need this plastic tool and also the screwdriver. I think there's a plastic clip right here and here, and here as well. We'll just do it slowly. You guys can see there's a one clip right here. So right here one, another one here. Those are the clips holding this mirror cover. So you can, with your finger, you can pull it down. All out. So you can see if you break this clip, so you have a new mirror cap for a reason. So we put this one for here. So these are the new one, you can see same like that. So alright guys, to take off this signal part, you need to there's three screws inside. So one right here, other one here, other one here, and also there's a one screw right here as well, so behind. So you have to take off this one to take off the whole part. So then it's very easy to access to inside. So you can see from here. So you need to take this, pull this one there, and this one will come out automatically. So then after that you need to pull this out. Alright, so this is the old one. So this is the new one. So we found out there's some difference between these two. In the old one, you can see there's a small clip right here into this one, so it hold in there, yeah. But for this one, you can't see that clip right there. So, but it is not a big issue. Still, this thing is gonna hold in there. So yeah, we'll see. Right here, it looks different compared to the one inside, so you can easily identify that too. Now we can put the mirror back in. Last step.
Bro, by the way, it looks so sick, man.
It looks so sick. I love this 𝒕𝒐𝒖𝒏𝒅 color. The last step, we just need to wipe it off these fingerprint and everything. So yeah, this side is done. The same process is going to be to the other side as well. So we'll do that side as well. And so before that, we need to check the light is working or not.
Oh yeah.
Check always.
Oh yeah, it's working. Damn.
Alrighty guys, so I'm super excited right now. You can see the mirror covers, it came out really nice. I'm really happy about how the outcome is. And guys, this is like a really cheap mode you can do for your F30. I'm gonna put the link and everything in description. You guys can go and check it out. If you guys wanna buy it, you can buy it. I'm not getting any commission or anything. I'm putting the links for you guys. Best thing I like about these mirror covers and lights, so you can see in these mirror covers, so these lights going like straight line, straight line, straight line. So you can't see the bulbs in there, like, you know. So that's my favorite part. That's what I always wanted to install. So it's a really good quality. So like I really happy about the lights and the mirror cover. The mirror cover changed the whole look of the F30. I love it. So yeah guys, so that's pretty much it for the change in mirror covers. Hope you guys learn how to change the mirror covers. So guys, I'm gonna finish the video right here. So I'll catch you guys in next video. So make sure to stay happy, stay safe. Yo, peace out.